Want to share your Facebook profile with others? Let's learn how to do it using your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to share your Facebook profile on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on the profile option from the bottom of your screen. Tap on the three dots icon right beside the edit profile option. Scroll down and find the share profile option. Simply tap on it. From the given option, tap on where you want to share your profile. Finally, tap on the send option and share the Facebook profile. And this is how you can share Facebook profile on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.